Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a transformation get ready with me hair and makeup. Okay guys, so guys, if you want to see a beginner tutorial transformation, okay, on how I achieved my hair, this ponytail and my makeup look, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe to my channel. Guys, coming over to my hair, using a spray bottle filled with water, I'm going to spray some water onto my hair. Okay guys, in order to make sure that my hair is very well. Okay, so guys, after that I'm going to go ahead to massage the water into my hair. Okay, I'm going to make use of this olive oil, okay, in order to apply it to my hair. So guys, I make sure that my hair I apply the olive oil properly onto my hair, okay? And now I'll be making use of this leave-in conditioner, okay guys, in order to go into my hair, okay? The hair conditioner is for smooth and thick hair, okay guys? And now I'm going to comb my hair properly. So guys, using a hair gel, as you guys can see, I'm going to apply the gel onto my hair, after in which I'm brushing up my hair, okay guys, in order to put it in a ponytail, okay? So that as well went in with more gel, okay guys, to make sure that my hair is laid properly, okay? And then I'm going to put it in a side ponytail, okay guys, as you all can see. Using a ponytail holder, I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail, okay guys. So guys, going in with more gel, I'm going to use the gel and a small toothbrush in order to lay my edges properly, okay? Making this tutorial to be very easy to follow and beginner friendly on how I achieved this ponytail and also my makeup look, a transformation video. So guys, right now I'm going to braid up the ponytail, okay guys, braid up my hair. So guys, after braiding it, I'm going to put it in a bun and then secure it using a ponytail holder, okay? So guys, coming into the hair extension I'll be using, I'll be making use of this synthetic hair from Darling Yankee, I think so, yes guys. So guys, it's in color 2. I'm going to double it, as you guys can see, then place it on my hair and then start to roll, okay guys. The synthetic hair is from Darling Yankee, I think so, yeah. Because I'm just going to start flipping it around my hair, okay, as you guys can see. So guys, rolling it around the bun, okay guys, in order to make it so that it will come out in a ponytail. So guys, I'm making sure that it is also well secured, okay. And so then when I got to the end there, okay guys, using the remaining part of the hair extension, I'm going to use it in order to go around the bun in order to secure it properly, okay. After in which, making use of a bobby pin, I'm going to go in with the bobby pin to secure it, okay guys. And so guys, then I just flip the hair around, the ponytail around. Okay guys, so guys, that is pretty much it for my ponytail. Okay guys, it's so beautiful, side ponytail. Okay guys, and right now guys, I'm just using my hand, okay, in order to lay the hair extension properly. Going over to my face, for my foundation, I'll be making use of this classic makeup foundation. Okay guys, I'm applying it on my face. Using a beauty blender, I'm going to start right away in order to blend out my foundation. So guys, the link to some of the products I use, I'm going to put them in the description. Make sure you check it out, okay? So guys, as you guys can see, I'm blending out the foundation, okay, just dabbing it into my skin in order to cover up my face or my skin. Yes. So guys, you need to make use of more foundation if the foundation you are making use of is not a full coverage foundation. Okay, my face, I'll be highlighting my face making use of this concealer. Okay guys, and these are the places I'm highlighting, as you guys can see. I'm also highlighting my lid at the same time. So guys, I'm going to go ahead to make use of the same beauty blender in order to blend it out. Okay, so guys, to set my face, I'll be setting my face making use of this loose powder. Okay, I'm just going to make use of the loose powder in order to go all over my face, making use of a makeup brush. Okay, a powder makeup brush. Okay guys, in order to set my face. So guys, you just need to make sure that you set your foundation properly. Okay guys, and now to contour my face, I'm making use of this contour powder in order to go over, in order to contour my face. So guys, these are the places I'm contouring, as you guys can see. And then for my blush, I'll be making use of this blush here. Okay guys, I smiled and I applied it on the apple of my cheeks. So guys, for my brow, I'll be making use of this brow pencil in order to line my brow. Okay guys, I lined underneath of my brow and went ahead to line above it and then filled it in. Okay guys, following my natural brow line. So guys, coming over to my eyes. Okay guys, I'll be making use of this eyeshadow palette. Okay guys, and I'll be applying that color there as my transition color. Okay, so guys, I'll be going in with a darker color as my crease color. Okay guys, I'm just blending it in and out, making use of a pencil brush. Okay, and then for my, so guys, right now I'll be making use of that color there in order to blend out the transition color and the crease color together. So guys, making use of this color right now, I'll be applying this on my lid. Okay, so guys, I'll be going in with this color here in order to apply it on my tear dots. Okay, and also applying this color here on my brow bone. Okay, from the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to put the link in the description. So guys, for my lower lash line, I'm going to make use of my crease color in order to go into my lower lash. So guys, now I'll be applying my highlights, making use of the loose highlight I showed you. So guys, for my lips, I've been lining my lips, making use of this lip liner. I as well went ahead to fill in my lips, making use of the same lip liner. Okay. And for my lipstick, I'm making use of this lipstick color there. I'm making use of a lip brush, yes, in order to apply the lipstick. Okay guys, so guys, that is it. So guys, for my lashes, I'm wearing these lashes in the one sexy. So guys, this is the finished look on how I created this transformation video of get ready with me hair and makeup. So guys, thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share, follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook and Twitter. Subscribe to my channel, share my videos. So guys, thank you so much. Check out also my other videos on my hair tutorials and makeup. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.